हाँ जी
हाँ जी जरूर पता चला, बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमेशा ट्रक लेफ्ट साइड चलना चाहिए और जो भी स्पीड लिमिट 40 रख के चलना चाहिए, इससे एक्सीडेंट कम होता है। और रि भोई पुलिस जो कर रहा है बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, तो आगे भी करते रहे। धन्यवाद।
पीछे जाने से ठीक है सर, अपना अपना साइड में जाने से ठीक है। स्पीड तो हम लोग 70 एक साइड से जाने से ठीक है सर।
कौन सा साइड में?
उसका जो साइड है वो साइड
ये लेन ना, लेफ्ट लेन,
लेफ्ट उसका लेफ्ट है, सोलो जाने वाला का लेफ्ट है और पूरा स्पीड जाने वाला राइट।
Ri Bhoi itu kalau mau kamu pelan, so kali ini pada banyak di trok jadi begini ke left, makin suki kali kita pajak ini pajak biar banyak di sekitar right side kan. Tak kata kila kit kaya dukan ni mah kila pen tak kan long kintip long kibom tip kintip no kumno pada banyak kalian kumno apa yang dapat kila lihat kami.
Hikai minta sini. Coba lihat yang
diang. Maka speed
saya itu kau
ya kayak gak kubur price di peta bikin buram ke dia baka rekom Ïaid kali strok ba. Semua no kita.
Sebenarnya ada dalam itu
Buram.
Banyak buram liang itu. Berkiri itu.
Do Hindi.
No, it's very unsafe.
Unsafe like this, no?
Especially in national highway.
Okay.
Because we have to go a bit faster, in a bit faster speed.
Okay.
So we feel very unsafe. The
Like
movement
this,
is not
like
that good.
zigzag.
Yeah, in
But
zigzag.
if the trucks are moving on the left side, how you feel?
On the left side, if they keep moving slowly, then it's okay.
Yes, that's
It's okay. But they should not, keep stagnant and poop underway. That is not
And
that
how
good.
about Ri Bhoi police? How they are working?
Shillong police, Nongpo police are doing great.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Methalia police are
Thank you
the
so
great
much.
in India.
Ini trok Ïaid zigzag.
Jenjar.
Jenjar ni ya. Habis dia baru safety semua no saya.
Nggak boleh kamu sufukin dalam sektor. Sufa dan clear gitu.
Habis dia pakai jengat je kan lane part ini trok dia banyak nak kena lane tu semua.
Di sini banyak sekali yang kamu sufi.
Kebetulan mentah dengan nanti. Kilong zigzag yang gini trok. Yang zigzag Ïaid zigzag dan problem dia. Dah habis dia pakai safety ke jeng semua okey.
We have been very serious about road safety since many months now, and it has started yielding us results, especially the illegal parking of trucks in Barnihat-Jorabad stretch has been resolved to a large extent. We don't see any more illegally parked trucks there, except one or two, maybe due to breakdown or temporary for a few minutes they stop. So still we are very serious about it. At the same time, we often see on NH, though the behavior has improved, but still many trucks we see driving on the right lane. So today we started this exercise with the truck drivers to brief them about the traffic rules and how they should drive on national highway. And we conducted a kind of experiment in which we made them to move in left lane first, and then right lane first, and then in a zigzag manner. And some people also came together with us. They were told to overtake the vehicles, and then after the exercise was done, we took the feedback from the truck drivers also and the car drivers also about what they felt, which was more convenient to them. So most of them, even truck drivers, admitted that when they move in left lane, it is more convenient to them because they don't have to give sides to anyone. Everyone passes through the right lane, so they don't have to maneuver the trucks, and it becomes convenient to them also, and it is as per law also. So we'll be uploading the videos for general public view shortly, and it is kind of awareness program, because if I give a long speech to these truck drivers, they won't understand anything because of language barriers. Because if we bring 10-20 drivers, some of them will be Hindi speaking, some of them won't understand English, some will not understand Khasi or Garo. So the visual appeal we believe is more effective, and that is why we conducted this experiment along with the media personnel and our officers, so that once they see, and then they will themselves realize that driving in left lane is the best uh, option to choose and the only legal option available to them. So it will save them from unnecessary fines also. We don't want to cause any financial loss. But at the same time, road safety is non-negotiable and will continue to do it.